Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I'm very happy to have this chance to give my presentation. This is the title. I will explain the effect of audit complexity and company size on audit fees and manufacturing companies. Before I start my speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Angel Apriliana and I'm from Bandung. I'm now studying at Widyatama University. Today I will share my research with you and the title of my presentation is The Effect of Audit Complexity and Company Size on Audit Fee. My presentations will be given in three parts. The first, the first part is about the background of my research. The second part is about the purpose of this research. The and last, the third part describe the results of this research. Background of research. Auditor have the right to receive honorarium or fees for their services, and the amount of this fee can be determined through a bargaining process between the auditor and the client. However, in Indonesia, there are currently no regulations that specifically regulate the amount of audit fees that must be billed by the public accounting firm to its clients. These conditions creates an indications that the determination of audit fees is still subjective and determined based on negotiation between the auditor and the client. The amount of the audit fee is very important because it will affect the revenue and profitability of the public accounting firms. Meanwhile, companies that use public accounting services also need to pay attention to the amount of the audit fee because it will affect the auditing costs and the budget allocated for financial supervision. In determining the amount of the audit fee, the public accountant and the company need to negotiate bets on factors such as audit quality and company size so that the research goals is analysis the effects of audit quality and company size on the amount of audit fees in manufacturing companies on the Indonesian stock exchange. Research usefulness. There are three use, use for this research. First, this study may provide a better understanding of the factor that influence external audit fees setting in manufacturing companies in Indonesia. This may assist company management is making more effective discussions regarding their audit budget. Second, this research can be provide insight to auditors and public accounting firms in understanding the factor that needs to be considered in setting audit fees. With a better understanding of these factors, auditors can provide more accurate and relevant recommendations to their client. And last, this study may also provide benefit to regulation and authorities and developing policies related to audit fees. The results show shows the company size has a positive and significant effect on audit fees, w- while while the presence of subsidiaries has no significant effect, and audit complexity has a positive and significant effect on audit fees. This audit the study provides insights to factors that influence the amount of audit fees in the manufacturing sector in Indonesia. Based on the explains, I explains it can be concludes that the more complex audits carried out at the company, the higher the audit fee charged. This can be caused by the more time and research required to complete a complex audit. Also, the larger the size of the company, the higher the audit fee charge. This can be caused by greater operational and transaction complexity in larger companies, which requires more time and researchers from the auditor. This research is expected to provide a better understanding of the factors that influence audit fees and can be referenced for company management, auditor, regulator, and researchers in accounting and auditing. Here is the reference. Thank you for watching.